एवरीबॉडी, मेरा नाम सौम्या है। मैं आपकी साइकी हूँ, टाइट कार्डिड हूँ, हीलर हूँ, प्लस आई एम अ ब्लॉगर। सो टुडे रीडिंग इज़ ऑल अबाउट आपके साथ नेक्स्ट 3 मंथ्स क्या हो सकता है, क्या सरप्राइज आ सकता है। सो आई बी यूजिंग माई ओनली वन डेक ओवल टुडे फॉर ऑल माई बोथ piles. So okay, your option is pile 1 is this rose quartz and pile 2 is this moon quartz. Okay, choose any one of them by your intuition. Select with your intuition, close your eyes and you can pause my video and select your piles. Okay, so pile 1 is this rose quartz. Let's see what is going on with you. This is a general reading, guys. Please take what resonates with you. What is there for pile 1? Angels will please guide me. क्या होने वाला है मेरे pile 1 के लोगों के साथ in next 3 months? Okay, I got Knight of Pentacles first card. You could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Knight of Swords, Capricorn. Too much of night and energies. The Hermit. Scorpio. एंजल स्पिरिट प्लीज गाइड मी। सन मून राइजिंग, गाइस जनरल रीडिंग है, आप सनसाइन के साथ मत जाइए, प्लीज गो विद योर सिचुएशन। ओके, देयर इज 6 ऑफ कप्स, कैंसर, स्कॉर्पियो, पाइसेस। ओके, whomsoever you are dealing with right now, this person is your past life partner and ये आपके कर्मिक से जुड़े हुए हैं, कर्मा से। ये अपने जितने भी कार्मिक सिचुएशन है ख़त्म करके आ रहे हैं आपके पास। और यू माइट बी लाइक हैविंग सम फाइनेंशियल इश्यूज, यू आर जस्ट लाइक हैविंग दिस साइकिल राइट नाउ। ये जो है ख़त्म होने वाला है। जजमेंट विच इन्वॉल्व्स अ मैरिज। यू कुड सी नंबर 10 10 10 a lot. What is there for pile 1? Angel spirit please guide me. Queen of Wands. Let's see what is the more card over. King of Swords. You are dealing with your higher level twin flame soulmate connection, guys. And end of the deck is 4 of Pentacles. Walking away situation. Okay, I am having a vision like your person, आपकी जो person है ये आपसे वॉक अवे कर चुके हैं काफ़ी बारी। आपने इनके लिए हो सकता है बहुत ज़्यादा गिव किया, बट आपको कुछ नहीं मिला। बट राइट नाउ दिस पर्सन वांट्स यू वेरी बैडली समहाउ, एंड आई एम सीइंग लाइक इन्होंने आपको छोड़ा इसलिए है आइदर बिकॉज ऑफ फैमिली इश्यूज़, ओके, और सम मनी इश्यूज़ जो मुझे साफ साफ दिख रहा है यहाँ पे। एंड आपकी भी जो कुछ है यहाँ पे प्रॉब्लम, वो भी यहाँ पे फाइनेंशियल इश्यूज ज़्यादा दिख रहे हैं मुझे, जो आपकी साइड से नज़र आ रहे हैं मुझे रिगार्डिंग योर करियर वाइज। सो येस, राइट नाउ दिस पर्सन इज़ नॉट रेडी। बेसिकली आपके जो पर्सन है वो रेडी नहीं है। ही इज़ इन हर्मिट मूड, ही और शी। ओके, दे आर थिंकिंग, दे आर जस्ट वॉकिंग विद देयर इंट्यूशन राइट नाउ, गोइंग विद देयर इंट्यूशन व्हाट टू डू व्हाट नॉट टू डू, because at the end they want to come faster toward you and they are very 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 passionate about you guys. ये आपको बहुत ही पैशनेटली देखते हैं, सेक्सुअली देखते हो सकते हैं कुछ लोगों के लिए ये पर्सन आपसे एल्डर भी हो सकते हैं। एंड या दिस पर्सन माइट बी एल्डर फ्रॉम यू। ओके, 5 years का फ़र्क हो सकता है कुछ के लिए, एंड कुछ के लिए ये पर्सन यंग भी हो सकते हैं, बिकॉज आई एम सीइंग इट टू मच ऑफ नाइट एनर्जीज। ओके, they are physically very attracted towards to you, so this person will be bringing their money to offer with you. There will be some partnership too in next 3 months regarding your career. And yes, this person is from your past life. You both are connected to each other somehow. There will be some wise decision making, like this person wants a marriage, there is a marriage involved with you and this person. Okay, because this person is your past life partner and they equally share love with you, but they don't show you somehow at a time. You both will be very opposite to each other, very very opposite, because there is a King of Swords and Queen of Wands. this person is like they want hurry in everything, in very hurry, and you are like, okay, stay. Like like we say moon and sun, you are like moon and sun equally. So this is like that. So yes, I see like your soulmate is calling to you, and definitely in 3 months, whatever you are wishing, this thing will turn up into your way, because universe is with you. You might be going with some offer to this person, or this person is coming towards you. There will be some partnership dealing regarding your business, company, etc., etc. Okay, and this person is totally stalking you guys on social media, be it you are in a contact situation or not, but this person is in you very, very badly. Let's see what my oracle says. Angel Spirit, please guide me. What is there for pile 1? What's coming there for them in next 3 months? Consciousness. You listen to your intuition, guys. As I said, work with your intuition, because you are in a hermit zone, or your person can be. So please, please, please work with your intuition regarding connecting to this person. Okay, because angels are saying you, universe is saying you to stay a little conscious, work with your intuition. Okay, what is there for pile 1? Angel Spirit, please guide me. Success. Okay, you got a success here, as a judgment card is over here. There will be a success coming in next 3 months for you in pile 1. There is a success. Okay, let's see what my oracle says for you. I'll choose more oracle, then I'll shift to pile 2. Angel Spirit, please guide me. What is coming there for my pile 1 in next 3 months? Okay, you can see number 10, 10, 10 a lot, guys. 11, 11, 10, 10. Okay, and there is a no third party, guys. Like your person is like ignoring you continuously. They are like, okay, I'll talk to you in my mood if I want to. So be bold and make a first move. Okay, so I think like this person, or you might be making some first move from your side, talking to this person, or this person will definitely come towards you. Meditate and contemplate. Okay, guys, new moon in Pisces. Okay, your moon sign can be a Pisces. You can be very emotional, so I think so you need a healing, guys. Don't be like be in a depression. You're going through a depression, so yeah, meditate. Okay, just meditate and listen to your intuition. Go with your intuition. Work with law of attraction. A time to give rather than take. So yeah, you need to give a lot again in your love. Okay, and end of the day is nothing is set in a stone. So yeah, nothing is stone, guys. Everything is like a water too. So it will be definitely coming towards you, because you will be definitely getting a success soon. So let's see what your love oracle says. एंजल स्पिरिट प्लीज़ गाइड मी. मेरे पाइल 1 वाले लोगों के साथ क्या होने वाला है? ओके, लेट गो ऑफ कंट्रोल इश्यूज. आप अगर सिचुएशन को कंट्रोल करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, ओके, जो मुझे दिख भी रहा है यहाँ से, क्वीन ऑफ वॉन्ड्स एंड किंग ऑफ स्वॉर्ड्स. योर पर्सन वॉन्ट्स टू कंट्रोल ओवर यू, और even you want to control over them. So it is like clashing going on between you both. So you need to control the situation, and there is lots of chemistry between you both, guys. Okay, so yeah, and this is a worth waiting for. This person you are thinking, this is just like worth waiting for. So divine timing is working with you both. Okay, because as I told, this is your past life connection, and you both are made for each other, but you are look like you both are very opposite from each other, but you definitely like passionate about each other. Okay, let's go for pile 2. Let's see what is there for you. Those who choose this moonstone, white in color. Okay, let's see what is more there for you, pile 2. Okay, I got your first card. It is 6 of Wands. Yeah, 7 of Wands, sorry. Angel Spirit, please guide me. What is there for pile 1? Pile 2. What is there for pile 2? Okay, I got here 6 of Swords. What is there for pile 2? What is there for pile 2 in coming 3 months? What surprises are for them? I got Wheel of Fortune. Nine of Swords reverse. What is there for pile 2? Justice. What is there for pile 2? The Empress. Abundance. Okay, you could be fire signs here: Sagittarius, Aries, Capricorn, Taurus, Virgo, Leo, Taurus. Fire sign is not there. Libra, King of Cups. And I got here High Priestess. And there is, I got Queen of Swords again, like pile 1. Okay, and end of the deck is the Fool reverse. So I am getting here energy like you guys are not acting very maturely. आप लोग बहुत ज़्यादा इमेच्योरली बिहेव कर रहे हो. आपके पर्सन भी बहुत ज़्यादा इमेच्योर बिहेव कर रहे हैं, मुझे जो दिख रहा है साफ साफ यहाँ पर. आपके साथ इनकी बहुत ज़्यादा फाइट हुई है पास में एंड अभी भी हो ही रही है लिटरली. आई कैन सी लाइक दिस पर्सन इज़ इग्नोरिंग यू. दे आर बिहेविंग लाइक ओके, जाओ, जाना है तो जाओ, यू कैन गो, वॉट एवर. ओके, सो दिस इज़ लाइक दैट. And they are like kind of stuck with their money issues और family issues whatever. तो ये बहुत ज़्यादा stuck है. ये खुद से भी थक चुके हैं, आप भी बहुत ज़्यादा थक चुके हो अपने आप से. इनके मिक्स सिग्नल्स आपको मिल रहे होंगे कहीं ना कहीं. मेरे को जितना फीलिंग आ रहा है यहाँ पे मिक्स सिग्नल्स मिल रहे हैं. एंड देयर इज़ अ हाई प्रीस्टेस कार्ड. हो सकता है आप लोग यहाँ पे कुछ लोग यहाँ पे साइकी हो, टाइप कार्ड रीडर हो, हीलर हो, डॉक्टर हो. सो yeah, you are being told work with your intuition because yeah, आपकी कई energy है definitely. Okay, so you need to work with your intuition because this person is giving you mixed signals. Okay, so work with your intuition because there is something like yeah, engagement is definitely work around with you guys. Okay, there is a Queen of Swords and King of Cups again. Opposite attracts. You are like more intellectual type or your person can be more intellectual type or practical types, but this person right now I am seeing like they are getting very emotional every day, seeing you on social media like oh my god, she's doing so good, oh he is doing so good, and why I'm not with them. And you are also like okay, you just like go away, I don't need you, like you are fighting with me, you are giving me mixed signals, just go away. So you are being told like you need to work with your intuition as divine timing is working for you guys. So definitely like this person will come up to you with justice. Okay, they will give you a justice for sure. This could be might be a new person. What I am getting a feeling, there is a new person. I don't see here X in my cards. And yes, this person is like seeing you like you are like a mother to them, like you treating them like your mother. So definitely आपको मम्मा की तरह देख रहे अपने, and like you treat them like your son or a daughter, whatever. So yeah, so this person sees you like the child of their mother and they want to spend life with you because at the end you will be getting success in love, success in career. Regarding career, yes, there is some like you are tired of many things, there are blockages around, so you will be getting out of this blockages soon. You will be working hard with your own. You'll be like आप हॉस्टिलिटी से वर्क करने वाले, बिकॉज देयर इज द फूल इन द रिवर्स. राइट नाउ दिस पर्सन इज नॉट रेडी. Everything is reversed. Most of you are dealing with the karmic partner also right now. Okay, this could be a karmic twin flame. Okay, this person is not ready to give you a love. The Hierophant is also there, so marriage is definitely involved with you both. Okay, and this is like rules card, family card. So definitely there will be something good coming around with you in coming 3 months. You could see number 2 a lot, 3, 555, 10. Okay, let's see what your oracle says. Pile 2. Angel Spirit, please guide me. What is there for pile 2 in coming 3 months? Patience, abundance. As I told, you guys are just being in so much hurry. Why it is not happening, why it is not happening. You don't need to be like in a hurry. Divine timing is at your work. Divine timing is at your work. And so on. You need to be staying patient. Keep patience. Because there is definitely an abundance coming your way regarding your love, career, both in next 3 months. Whatever you are thinking, you will get the abundance from this, from a new person. Okay, this is a karmic twin flame, guys, and mostly you are dealing right now, going through a karmic situation. ऐसा ज़रूरी नहीं कि हर कोई karmic ही निकले, because energies keep on changing every time and this person will definitely come back to you. जो मेरे फर्स्ट डेक में अलग था कि उसमें पास्ट लाइफ का कार्ड, दैट इज़ लाइक मोर ओवर प्योर सोलमेट कनेक्शन कार्ड, बिकॉज हाई सोलमेट कनेक्शन. So definitely, like, you are not maintaining totality right now. You are just confused, hanging around. It's like first card only, Secnophobia, whatever it is. So it is like that right now. Your person is feeling exhaustion to come towards you. They are stopping themselves. Okay, so you need to just let go. Okay guys, you need to let go whatever isn't going in your mind. Right now you are not in a totality, so please let go and behave in a total way with your person and yourself. Let's see what is more there for you. Angel Spirit, please guide me. What is there for pile 2? What is there for pile 2 in next 3 months? What is coming for them? What is coming for them? Okay, wait a second, guys. Okay, I got here, work through your fears. Okay, you are feeling scared or your person is feeling scared right now. Newborn in Scorpio. Okay, so वर्क विद योर फ्रेंड्स. आपको डर के नहीं जीना है, आपको उल्टा डर का सामना करना पड़ेगा. अगर आप जितना डर के जिएंगे तो नहीं होएगा वो वर्क. यू नीड टू लेट गो एंड वर्क विद योर फेयर. What is there for pile 2? Angel Spirit, please guide me. What is there for pile 2? Show the world real you. ओके, आप जैसे हो गाइज, आपको रियलिटी तो शो करना ही है. आपको रियलिटी फेस करना भी पड़ेगा. And balance spirituality and practicality. Full moon in Pisces, so you need to go with the balance, guys, with your spiritual world also and in real life also. Because yes, there is something like, अगर आप सच बोलेंगे और सच का सामना करेंगे, so definitely you will get success in love and in your career work. Okay, so you need to just go with your balance. Okay guys, let's see what is more there for you. What is coming there for my pile 2 in next 3 months? Okay, so chemistry also wanted to come down. Okay, past life relationship. Okay, you guys, most of you are here, are also dealing with your past life partner. ओके, यू हैव नोन ईच अदर बिफोर। कुछ लोगों के लिए आपके एक्स भी आ सकते हैं वापस, एंड कुछ लोगों के लिए मैं यहाँ दिख रही हूँ, ये आपके जो पार्टनर है वो आपके पास्ट लाइफ से जुड़े हुए हैं। यू बोथ आर लाइक कनेक्टेड टू ईच अदर, देर इज़ लॉट्स ऑफ केमिस्ट्री बिटवीन यू बोथ, सो यू नीड टू कंटिन्यू द केमिस्ट्री। And yeah, you are not able to decide, you are just like getting lot of confusion, lots of mixed signals. So clearly decide what you want so that it comes to you. Okay, very soon you need to decide, very soon. There could be some finances and career issues which is affecting your love life right now. Okay, and yeah, this person can be a soulmate for some, for others this is a karmic twin flame. This person will be finishing their karmas and coming towards you, so you need to love yourself, because yeah, there is an engagement card again. As I told, this your person will give you a justice. Right now they are not ready to give you love offer due to finances issues or family problem, but yeah, this person will be giving you some commitment, because your love life is turning into a commitment. Okay, this person love you, you both have are fighting with each other every day. So yeah, love yourself first, guys. You're not loving yourself, you are just forgetting who you really are. So you need to just like ignore this person and work on yourself first, so that they come to you very slowly and very gradually, because divine timing is working for you guys. Okay, so this person will definitely make an effort for you guys. See, great love is worth taking steps you guided take. So yes, this person will make an effort for you guys. They will be taking some action soon. Okay, in next 3 months. So this was my reading for you all. Hope my reading resonated with you. Let me know on comment box. And if you want private reading, I'm always available. And yeah, you can always donate my channel if you want to donate cash or decks, crystal stones. You are most welcome. I'll be sharing my wish list soon, so that you can send your gift if your reading is coming true or whatever. So thank you all, thank you for your love, support, and keep on subscribing my channel at the rate of Mysterious Girl Soumya. Love you all. Bye bye.